Can you hurry up?
Hurry.
Good. Because I don't fancy a bulletin from the chef.
Assalamu alaikum, mama.
وعليكم السلام وعليكم السلام.
غواړم چې لږ پیسې ولګم.
څو پیسې؟
150 پونډه.
کوم ولایت ته؟
لغمان ته.
لغمان ته؟ څومره ژر غواړې چې پیسې هلته واخلې؟
سبا ته هلته واخلې پلیز.
سبا ته؟ ستا نوم څه دی؟
سلیمان.
سلیمان. د پلار نوم؟
احمد الله.
ورور جانه دا د تا حوالې نمبر ده، هلته تلیفون کړه، دغه تلیفون نمبر مې دلته لیکلی ده، دا واخله هلته ولیکه، بیا پیسې هلته واخله.
خیر اوسې، کور دې ودان.
خدای پامان.
مخته کړه.
خدای پامان.
How are we doing, my little question, eh?
Sorry, Mr. Khan. Sorry. I will get it for you.
I want £200 in 1 week. If I don't get it, I will get some Talibans to visit your little brother. Understood?
Hey, it's Gaz here. That's right. Do you have any work on site at the moment? All right. Let me know if you do, yeah? All right.
Sorry, Mr. Mario. I wanted to ask you a favor.
If you want minimum wage, you can get lost.
No. Do you have an extra work this week?
How long have you been in London?
2 months.
What country?
Afghanistan. You?
Holland?
Do you like English people?
They're okay. I don't know many of them.
What's up? No, Mum. Just give me a few days, all right?
If you want more shifts, I've already given to Sully. He asked first.
تاسو ښه یې؟
زه ښه یم. ماما صدیق کارما ته توجه کوي. کارګران ځینې کسان واپس راغلي. زه اوس د ماما صدیق سره اوسېږم.
همالته اوسېږه او ډېر پام کوه لکه یو سرتېري غوندې.
شاه سلمان جانه هغه به څرنګه ځای وي؟
خلک دلته ډېر بې مهره دي، یو بل سره ستړي نه کوي، خو خبره دا ده چې ما ته هم کار پیدا شوی دی. هم د ژوند لپاره یو کوټه لرم.
کدای شي چې زه ژر تاسو ته درشم.
نه زه باید لاړ شم نو. مور و پلار ته دعا وکړم. خدای په امان. You like football?
Don't talk to me.
Sorry, man.
I said don't fucking talk to me.
I try to be good immigrant. I try to learn English. Why not speak?
Because I don't want to. It's a free country, innit? What fucking shithole you're from.
Afghanistan not shithole.
Fucking is. You're a bunch of cunts.
Sorry, man.
It's too fucking late. I needed those shifts. My brother's football training doesn't pay for itself.
Me too.
Oh, my heart bleeds. You're a bastard immigrant who has stolen my shifts. Part of Boris's multicultural paradise. Great, isn't it? Fucking animal.
I'm hungry night today.
Why don't you get a sandwich like a normal person? It's fucking disgusting. Someone else has been eating that.
Please, man, I'm so hungry.
Well, what have you done with your wages? Spent it all on smack? Oh, I bet you know where to score some of that from, didn't you? Probably got a poppy farm at home.
Please, man, I need food.
No. You come to this country, behave like someone from this country, okay?
Hey, here is somebody you know on the phone. Go on, talk to him. Talk.
Hello?
رشایو دموسیدیک ملګری ماته تلیفون راکړی.
عبدالله خیال ساتل ځان خیال سات عبدالله.
My brother, who's the only person I could give a fuck about in this world, has just been let go by Arsenal juniors. Doesn't help that his kit got nicked and he can't afford a new one.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, that is bad. It's a fucking disaster. And now, thanks to fucking foreign footballers and you nicking my shifts, he'll probably end up like me.
Maybe you have talent, but not know them.
I'd be very talented at punching you in the face. But then I'd lose my job. I fucking hated my father, but at least he never went on the dole.
He's a proud man.
Yeah. He also beat my mum up. Me and my brothers. So maybe he was proud, but you're still a cunt.
You keep saying cunt. Where's cunt?
Shut up!
Polish girls are pretty. And you have the Muslim?
No, most of us are Catholics. If I married a Muslim, my parents go crazy.
Can we go on date one day? Your parents won't know.
Maybe some other time.
Okay, next week?
I've got to go back to work.
Alright, Enya.
Hi. Hi.
Hey,
What are you up to?
I have to check my email. What are you up to?
I just checked my emails.
Okay, cool.
See you at work.
See you.
Hey, do you have something for me? Wasting my time. I want money. Yes, sir.
Hey, I didn't think you would today.
Mustafa's wife said a baby. You got a problem with that?
Sorry, man.
Sorry, man. Sorry, man. That's your get out of jail card. You're a fucking coward.
I'm not a coward. Don't call me that.
Oh, what, you gonna call in the Taliban?
Fucking Taliban killed my parents. I walked 6 weeks across Europe to get to London. 2 friends dead in Turkey. This is my only chance. Okay?
Okay.
I work, otherwise my brother is dead. I have to pass smuggler. Do you understand?
Understand. You left your phone inside.
Thanks, man.
You should have said you were Arsenal.
I even know one of the chants. I heard it on internet.
Go on then.
And it's Arsenal. Arsenal FC. You're by far the greatest team the world has ever seen.